Hi, this is probably the first time that you'll be using Makecode. So this is the place. You can type Makecode and you can actually look for Microsoft Makecode. You realize that for computing education, all these devices are using Makecode, but this term will be using Lego Mindstorm. So click onto it and you'll see two eyes staring at you. For you, the first time that you're doing, there will not be any project here, so you can always start a new project. Alright, at the start you will see a start block and a forever block. You will see that there's a download button here. As you scroll down, you can see more buttons here. This is to stop the simulator. This is the simulator panel. This is to restart the simulator. This is doing slow-mo. You can mute the audio and you can launch full screen or back to normal screen. If you want to find out how to use this on start, you can right click on it and use a help. They will load a page where they'll help you to understand what does this block do and show you how to use it. So if you want to see it on a bigger screen, you can always maximize this. You will go to the next step. So this is the JavaScript. If you're interested, they'll show you both JavaScript and the blocks. Alright. So today for our first lesson, I'll just take away the forever block. And you can see that there are the brick category, sensor category, autos category, music, and so on. Do take time to look through them, as there's also advanced category where you might need to use functions, arrays, or even text. So let's just do a simple display on our screen now. So on start, let's just use the brick category. Let's set change the status light. Alright, so now once you run it, it will set the status light to orange. You can change it to any color that you want. Green, and the whole thing will change to green. So this is the screen that you'll be using. You can click on it and you'll maximize your screen. Of course, if you are using Windows 10, you can even move closer by pressing the Windows button and the Add button. Then you can see that you can actually maximize it, the view. Alright, this is just some minor trick to teach you. Okay, Windows and minus back, you go to the normal screen. So for your first lesson, let's just do a display. What we are going to do is that we are going to play a game. Okay, you can look for guess number game, guess my number game, and under fun brain, you can see that normally how people guess the game, how it's played. So we play the game now. It says that the fun brain magician will pick a secret number and put it in his hand. You are supposed to guess what the number is. So if your guess is too high or too low, the fun brain will give you a hint. See how many turns it takes for you to win. So let's pick a level that's from 1 to 100. And let's just pick a number. You have 7 turns. So you can start with 50. It's a good place to start. So once you click guess, it says your guess are low. So it's now between 51 to 100. So let's try 75. Alright, so now we can see that our number is between 51 to 75. Let's try 60. Alright, 60 is low, so it's from 61 to 75. Okay, let's try about 69. 69 is high. and we have 3 turns left, so it's between 61 to 68. Let's try 4. So 4, oh right, typed wrongly, it should be 64. 64 is high, so it should be between 60 to 64. So let's just guess one last time, 62. Alright, no turn left, the number was 63. So we might need to play the guessing game again. So this is what we'll be focusing on this term. So let's start with the display today. We will talk about the display using scroll down. There's a screen category, subcategory, where you can use a string or show a number. Let's try show string first. Check it out, and you will see that there's a hello world here at line 1. So you might want to test out how many words can you actually put, so that you can maximize your screen. So let's say guess a number from 0 to, and we see whether it can go through the whole screen. If you cannot, you might want to scroll down and restart the simulator, and after that you can see from 0. So even 2 cannot be displayed, so probably that is the max that we can have for every line. Now we duplicate this block and we just pull it up, so it gets a number from 0 to 100 within 7 tries. Okay, now remember to pull this to line 2, and after that we can restart the simulator again. Yeah, within 7 tries. So you can design your own screen for the first lesson. Once you finish designing, you can download your file. You can call this lesson 1, and after that you can download the file. So if you have a EV3, you will need to check the firmware and before you connect it and download it. So but we'll be using the simulator for the moment. So let's say next week you come and accidentally you delete your lesson 1. Under here, this setting, you delete your project and you cannot find your lesson 1 here anymore. But you realize that this Lego lesson 1 is downloaded into your Google Drive. You can retrieve it, and after that you can use the import button to import the file. Alright, you can choose the file. Under downloads, it should be Lego lesson 1. Okay, let's see where's lesson 1 under download. Lego lesson 1. You might want to try UF2. Yep. Okay, lesson 1 is here. So just double click onto it and go ahead. It'll be imported back in. So this is the way for you to save your work if you accidentally delete it. Alright, hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. That's all for today.